I think it's a potentially very powerful tool. It's something that's sorely needed. This is an area that, without it, we as a region are going to be left behind, and our company's going to be left behind. We're already struggling in terms of competitiveness and productivity, but we need to get companies on this journey to improve their competitiveness by utilising the 4Manufacturing agenda. So the tool that we've just seen online, Ideal, it raises probably more questions than it might raise answers or give answers to, but that's okay. It's getting companies to think and challenge themselves. If KTN and ourselves working together can come in on the back of that with potential actions with potential solutions, that should be enough to kick it off, to get companies on that journey.